What's up guys, how's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. We are finally back with another market update video. This would be a quick market update video based on yesterday's market analysis. Basically, when the market was right here, I predicted a perfect move down, and till now BTC, following my analysis, has dropped by 9%. Basically, when market BTC was right here, each and every influencer on YouTube, on Telegram or Twitter, they were seeing this as bullish pennant or bullish flag, but I clearly told you, I made a specific video on this, that this would be just to trap the retailers, and perfectly each and every our update till now is going perfect. But this does not mean that each and every of our analysis will work each time. So don't blindly trust my analysis. Do your own research before you take any trade on my predictions or whatsoever they are. So today we will also discuss BTC on 4 hour as well 30-minute time frame. Before we get into the video, I will show you my Discord, where we yesterday I told you that we are about to trade BTC. So yesterday we traded 3 trades. One was DOC, non-leveraged, which gave us 9% profit. We bought from 90 sats and it actually hit 98 sats again. So it gave us 9% non-leveraged profit. And here we traded BTC long, which gave us 45% with just 20x leverage, and we got this perfect wick, and we traded BTC long again with our VIPs on Discord, which gave us 45% on just 20x leverage. Beside this, we also traded VAX in BTC pair, which hit our two targets yesterday and gave us 20% non-leverage profits. And here's our gains section, where these guys post their trades, and you can see how much these guys print money with our proper guidance and with our proper calls. So if you also want to make huge profits daily, you can DM me on Telegram or Twitter to join my Discord, and I will let you know what's the criteria to join me on Discord. So currently BTC is trading on 2462 while I am recording this video. Yesterday market was right here when I predicted a perfect move up, trapping retailers again, and then a move down. So same happened, and now we had area of inefficiency right here, which was in form of imbalance, and price came through it, broke it, and filled this by 100% as I was predicting from 7th July. So what is the move that I am seeing now? Currently I have two areas of interest in right now in market. One is this area and the other is this area. But what I'm personally seeing this, we can see those traders, let me show you, those traders who were trading this area to be as resistance are quite happy with their profits right now, because there are a lot of traders who might short from here, those who might short from here or whatsoever those zones are. So those people who short from this zone, considering it a resistance, are quite happy with their profits. So their stop, where would be their stop loss? Their stop loss might be above this high, above this high, above this high, or this is actually forming a potential trend line right here, which I am seeing is tons of liquidity, which lies in the form of trend line above this high, above this high, above this high, and obviously above this high. Why? Because if we see this why liquidity lies above this high, because this would be actually the stop loss of those traders, the break even or the trading stop loss of those traders who did short from this resistance, and now they are booking their profits, or might be they trailed the stop loss to this high or this high or this high. So tons of liquidity lies above these highs. So what can I expect? We might see a move up from this zone toward this high or this high, grabbing what liquidity lying above this, and then we might see this criteria, right, this move in market. So the other zone which I am seeing right now is this area, which is order block right now, till now, which is unmedicated. So if this scenario gets filled, we might see consolidation inside this box, and then we might see a bounce from here. But personally what I am expecting, I'm expecting a small bounce up towards this high, this high, this high from this current unmedicated order block. So this was 4 hour BTC USD analysis. Let's get into 30-minute time frame and let's analyze what's happening right there. So currently we are on BTC USD 30-minute time frame. Again, we can see for formation of imbalance in the form inefficiency in the form of imbalance right here, the inefficiency in the form of imbalance right here, the order block, the unmedicated order block right here, and the imbalance again right here. So tons of liquidity lies above these highs, which I told you on my 4 hour analysis. So that's why I personally I'm expecting a small bounce up from this zone. So this does not mean to long BTC from here. So if you want to trade live with me, you can join me on Discord. Then I will prefer you, I will tell you a proper signal. I will make a proper signal for you to long or to short, whatsoever they are. So if we fail to hold above this unmedicated order block right here, so if price fails to hold above this order block, then we will see a consolidation through this order block right here. Then we might see a possible bounce up in price. So but personally I'm expecting this scenario, but I can be wrong anywhere. So don't blindly trust my analysis each and every time, because crypto market is not owned by any trader or by any institution. So they basically manipulate it to make their own profits, and I just explained the way they manipulate it to make their own profits. So guys, this was today's market update video. Hope so you guys, it's clear for you to predict the next move. If you also want free trading signals and you want to talk with me, you can join me on Telegram, or you can follow me on Twitter. I will answer you each and every of your question. Thank you very much.